Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. I'm Boy Wonder, and today we're going to be looking at making two unique mood boards in Krea AI, and specifically using the Krea 2 model. We're going to be using the Turbo model for speed, and it's just good enough for me, to be honest. It's very good. So we're on the Krea homepage. Let's go into mood boards and just get on with it, shall we? So create new mood board, and I'm going to select from assets, which are your assets are things that you've made within the Krea platform, and in this context it will be images, not videos. So select from assets. Now I'm going to pick images that are random in terms of style and that are different to each other. Now there's a lot of different images here that are different from each other because I've made a few mood boards in this method, and I quite like it. So this is why I'm doing it, because I made this method sort of by accident, and I thought I think other people would like to know this. So let's pick this. This looks different to that. This looks different to the last one. And that one looks different to that one. And that one looks different to that one. That's how we're going to go, picking something random. Anything that's furthest away from, or just something very different to the last selected picture. Yep, that'll do. 19 will do. You don't have to, you can do it with one image, you know. Make a mood board with one image. Add. So these are all the images that we've selected. You can create this, edit the title and call it random test. We'll call it that. Once you've done that, you analyse the mood board, and it takes around, I think it took around just under a minute for this size of set of images. So we'll probably fast forward through this in the edit. Okay, so that took around a minute and a half to do. I think it varies how long it takes. It might be dependent on, generally if you're making a mood board, is you're trying to make a sort of style, and you use similar images to create that style. We're going the opposite way. We're using loads of different images to create a style. It's ready to use with doing that analyze board, and then generate with mood board. And we go out of here, and random mood board is selected. It's already been selected for us. I'm going to turn it right up first. I'm going to go square. Just fancy making square images. And turn the mood board style right up, and creativity going to go to raw. So it's not adding anything onto the prompt, and we're just going to use something very simple. And I'm going to say object. And we're using a heavy weight on that mood board. We're in the large model, so we're going to use Turbo, so it's a little bit quicker. Not that that's particularly slow, but okay. So we're going to make some more. So what was on the next one? I'm not going to use a prompt. It's just going to be the mood board. So that's how what we're going to do. We're going to make 4 of these. It's pretty different to each other. Okay, great. I mean, that's really odd. Yeah, great. I'm going to alter some of the parameters. Movement, let's get some movement in. Complexity, I'm going to turn the intensity down. And okay, make 2 of those. Now this one, I'm going to do random mode for the next iteration. I'm going to turn this right up again, and I'm going to do a no prompt. I think we call them void prompts. Fantastic. Let's have a look at what we've made. Let's turn this, get this off the screen. Brilliant. So we just made this set of images, which now we're going to make another mood board with in the same fashion. So we made, quite a lot of images there. Fantastic. And now let's make another mood board. So we go mood board, new mood board, select from assets, and we're going to, yep. So we've just made these. Select whatever you want to. You don't have to select them all. You can select whatever you need to, but I'm just going to select them all. So add new mood board, random test 2, analyze mood board, and this will take around a minute again, so or fast forward. In fact, we didn't need to, so it made that mood board in around 10 seconds. I didn't need to fast forward, so there's some difference there. Maybe, perhaps it's because it's already made a mood board. It's of this that it now knows. I don't know. Anyway, it's made one. You can see it does vary. So fantastic. And then, so we're going to generate with this mood board. All the keywords here, if you want to use this mood board afterwards, are there if you want to, but that's not what we're doing. So generate with mood board. Okay. Random test 2, let's turn it right up. So I'm going to turn the intensity up. Raw, in fact we'll go flat because we just want to see what the mood board looks like. I'm going to use one of the void prompts again, so nothing there. I'm going to go to square, I just prefer looking at square images. Are we on? Oh, it's defaulted to large, still uses the same mood board. So, another void prompts. Right, and then I'm just going to put cat for the next one, and this will show you. With neon sign, text, Krea 2. Now we're going to turn the mood board down a bit, put some movement in, use the same prompt. So there we go. So So that's great. So there you go. We've just made 2 mood boards in the space of, however many minutes, and just something unique style. But if you want to make something different, non-generic, try this method. Nice one. You can share your mood boards, and we'll make this one available. I'll probably pop a link down below. Like, subscribe, and there we go. You can create public link. I'll put that in. So I'll put that in the description below. Copy. Fantastic. Right then, have a nice day. I'll see you soon. Bye.